Nigerians, we can calculate everything. I mean, every single thing we can calculate it except ROI. You know when your girlfriend's birthday is, you know your boyfriend's shoe size. You can even tell how many spoons of rice it takes to fill a paint bucket. You can tell that. But when it comes to calculating if your investment is making sense or not, everybody suddenly becomes a major patient. Let me tell you something. If you don't understand ROI, people will use your money to do apprenticeship, believe me. And trust me, you will just be there clapping for them. You see, ROI is a difference between you saying, I invested and cashed out versus I invested and carried last. So today we're going to break down this thing called ROI. So let's start from the beginning. What is ROI? What in the world is this ROI? Because the way some people throw it around, to be thinking it's one secret code in Banana Island. ROI simply means return on investment. But in plain English, we can say that ROI is how much money you make compared to how much money you put in. It's like this. If you buy a pop-off of 100 naira and it fills your stomach for 4 hours, that pop-off gave you a good ROI. But if you buy a shawarma of 4,000 naira and within an hour you're already boiling noodles, that's a negative ROI. You only invested in vibes, not value. ROI is a way of asking your money, show you the work for me or you sleep. Because let me tell you the truth. You see, money has 2 months. It's either on duty or it's on leave. And if your money is on leave, believe me, you're just sponsoring your money's vacation. That is not an investment, it's donation. Now, in a real estate terms, ROI tells you that land you bought in Lekki, Aja, Ibadan, or even your village, is it actually bringing something back? Did it appreciate? Did it grow? Or is it still the same bush you cleared 5 years ago? So anytime you hear ROI, don't let it scare you. It's not an English method for Oyibo investors. It's just a simple calculation telling you if your hustle is hustling or if your hustle is hustling you. Why is ROI important? Let me give you 4 big reasons why ROI is very important. One, it saves you from bad investment wahala. You see, Nigerians love sweet talk. Somebody will tell you, buy this land now. In the next 6 months, airport is coming. You, the next thing, you drop 6 million. And after 5 years, the only thing flying there is mosquito. So you see, ROI is that compass that helps you know whether the airport story makes sense or is it just real estate Nollywood. Two, ROI lets you compare investments. Let's say land in Lekki gives you 40% ROI in 2 years, and land in Ibadan gives you 70% ROI in 2 years. Which one makes sense? ROI will tell you the winner, no emotions, no sentiment, just pure mathematics. Instead of following the crowd, everybody is rushing Lekki, right? You too, you want to rush. But your ROI will tell you, wait first. Yes, Lekki is sweet, right? But Ibadan ROI, they shout louder. Three, ROI helps you track record. You see, some people will buy land and forget it like old Christmas clothes. 10 years later, expecting to come and meet gold mine. But let's be truthful. You see, land is not always automatically profitable. ROI is what helps you check how much has this land grown in value. Is this land worth keeping or selling? How much did I spend on this land? 4, ROI gives you confidence. It wears you good confidence. You see, when you know your ROI, you can stand in any investors meeting and bring your chest out. Instead of saying, I just bought land in Ekbe, you say, I bought land in Ekbe and it has given me 50% ROI in 2 years. Now you sound like Dangote's cousin. Trust me, investors will respect you because ROI is a proof, is an evidence. It's a bragging right that shows you're not just throwing your money anyhow. Your money is working for you over time. Now, how do you calculate ROI? For the formula, ROI is equal to profit divided by cost of investment times 100. For example, you bought land 2 million naira. You sold it for 3 million naira. Your profit is 1 million naira. So to calculate the ROI, Your ROI is equal to 1 million naira divided by 2 million naira times 100. So you're getting a 50% ROI, and that's a good deal. Do you know that there are mistakes people make with ROI? Yes. When you're only looking at profit without calculating the hidden cost, that's a mistake. Or you falling for market hype. They'll tell you first 20 airports coming soon. Buy land close to it. You rush for the land. That's a mistake. Also, not checking how long the ROI takes. That's also a mistake. ROI is that honest friend to tell you if your investment is rubbish, ROI won't lie. If your investment is sweet, ROI will hype you. Either ways, it keeps you from deceiving yourself. And trust me, you see, this is our economy, Nigerian economy. Self-deception is very expensive. If you found this video helpful, please, 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 please help to hit that subscribe button, like, and share. Bye for now.